All right, guys, welcome to the channel here at DTI Information Network. We're talking about everything from helping you build out your personal credit, build out your business credit, and take advantage of these banking products. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a wonderful bank that I love so much that has also helped me in a difficult time as well, and that is BHG Financial. Now, what I love most about this bank is it is what is called in the community a ghost loan. All right. A ghost loan. So basically, what this means is this particular bank will not show up on your personal credit and it will not show up on your business credit. And they give out large limits of credit. Now, the other thing I like about it is that they don't require a lot of documents, right? This bank is so huge when it comes to getting yourself funding because it does a number of things. One, it will not show up on your personal credit or your business credit. So if you're going for a real estate acquisition or a business acquisition, when you acquire this, it can be something like a bridge loan because they will not see it reporting on your personal credit, right? So it's not going to count against your debt to income, which is very huge in a lot of lending institutions that require you to be under 40% debt to income. So now you could have a source of money that you can use to employ to help you with your investment. The other thing that I like that it does is that, say, for instance, you need to season your bank accounts. A lot of times when you're going for a real estate investment, whether it's getting your first home or your second home or your third home or getting an investment property, you're going to need to have seasoned money inside of your bank account, meaning they're going to want to see that you have a certain amount of money inside of your bank account before they will approve you for the loan. If you have $1,000, $2,000 and you're going for a $500,000 loan, you're not going to qualify because you don't have seasoned money. And if you do have money that comes from the outside source, they're going to want to question that. So a lot of times, one of the strategies that we like to help people with is make sure that you put seasoned money inside of your account. And let's just say a lot of times people don't have a lot of seasoned money, but you need the money for the down payment, right? So let's say you don't have a lot of money right now saved up. Well, if you get a special loan like this BHG loan, you can season your account for 2 to 3 months while you're waiting. So let's say they give you 50,000. You put the 50,000 inside of your bank account and let it sit in there for at least 3 months. Okay, let it sit there for 3 months. Now it's seasoned. When they ask you for bank statements, they're only going to go back 3 months. So this money will already have been sitting there, and it won't look like a new source of income has just dove into your account where they don't know. And then once that happens, a lot of times they're going to ask you a lot of questions. Where does this come from? Was it a gift? Blah, blah, blah. And they can deny you just based off that information because you don't look solid. All right. So having this kind of loan is very, very advantageous for you in that aspect as well. The other thing I like about this particular bank is they don't ask for a lot of collateral and a lot of documents. I mean, sometimes they may ask you for tax returns. Sometimes they may not. I know people have gotten this particular loan and they didn't ask for a lot of that. Now, I will let you know that this bank was originally geared towards medical workers. So if you're a doctor, a nurse, a medical practitioner, or along the lines of one of those, then a lot of times they were more privileged to give those people high income limits because they know that they have a W-2 income and they know that they bring in a certain amount of money, right? So that's where they were usually geared towards. But now they've opened it up to everyone. And the great thing about it is you can actually apply for one of these particular loans without having any impact on your personal credit report. So you can apply and see if you qualify without any harm being done to you. Look, they don't even want me to say this information. I'm telling you, this is quiet information. You don't hear about this stuff everywhere, you guys. You don't hear about it. I'm giving you guys this raw game right here. This is a wonderful bank to have inside of your wallet. I'm just going to show you some of the things they have here. They have personal loans, they have small business loans, and they have startup loans. This company is really, really good for a new business that's just started up. I mean, literally within the first month after you have all your documents, you can apply for this loan and you can get it. Now, they will be basing a lot of your information on your personal credit. You're going to need to have a good, solid 700 personal credit score on the TransUnion side. All right. Very important. They pull from TransUnion, and you have to have a solid TransUnion score. Now, if you do not have a 700 credit score and you need information and guidance and resources and insights and advice and tips along the lines, we have a school group community, SKOOL school group community, where you can get this kinds of information to help you boost up your credit score. I can make sure that we can give you the resources and tools you need to repair or build out your credit report inside of that school group community. Just so you know, there are resources out there for you. But back to this particular company, BHG Financial. I want you to know what I like about this bank too, is that you can be a sole proprietorship. When I got this bank, they used my personal name, Dishawn, as my business. So you can be a sole proprietorship, and still qualify for this loan. That means you don't have to have any business already started up. You don't have to have organization or EIN or any of that. You can use your personal good credit to help you qualify, and they will give you a sole proprietorship business loan to be able to get this business funding. So this is really huge. They have loans that go up to 500,000. I mean, they have for business acquisitions, which we're always talking about. We're talking about for home improvement. We're talking about for working capital. We're talking about even if it's for your real estate investing. I bought my first real estate property using some of the money that I got from this particular bank. Also, if you get one of these loans, the really great thing about it is that later on, if you qualify, they'll refinance and get you even more money. Right? So let's say you started off with 50,000, but then now it's been a year, 2 years along the line. You're like, hey, there's this other investment property. I need a little bit more capital. They will run you again and lend you even more capital on that same loan and just restructure it for you. It is a great bank to have. Now, let's talk about some of the cons that you get with this bank. I will let you know that the interest rates are a little higher, right? You're going to be ranging every starting at like 14% right now in the climate that we're in and up. Now, when I got mine, it was a little bit lower. It was actually a lot lower than that. But right now, it's about 14%. So I don't recommend that you get this type of loan and hold it for a long time. Now, this is one of the plays or one of the strategies that I would use to doing this. Now, it's very important with the climate that we're in and the way banks are tightening up their lending. I would get a loan like this and I would go put it inside of my checking account or my business checking account and let that money season in there, and then show transactions coming out of that business checking account, and then apply for the bank's business products, right? And then take that money that you have and repay this loan back. That is one strategy. Or I would take this money, build out a relationship with one bank, get their banking products like Chase, then take it and go to another bank like US Bank, get their business relationship going there with this particular loan and that money, and then get their business loan or their business products, go to another bank, have yourself at least 3 banks, pay this loan back so you're not getting hit with the high interest, but build out your relationship using these kinds of large limits that you're going to get here. All right. So that's just a little bit of game for you guys. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, all I ask is that you hit the like button. It's really easy. Just go boom, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more information like this. And if you want to go deeper and you want to find a lot more ghost loans and ghost strategies that we talk about, join our school group community. If you want to build out your business credit, join our school group community. The link is in the description below. We love to have you guys on. It's completely free. We're just giving out free information, free value, free game, and you might meet some people that can help take you to the next level. That's what it's all about. All right. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.